Every home needs a refrigerator, and if your home requires additional beverage storage, adding the best beverage center to your kitchen, basement, or outdoor space is a practical option. There are, however, many features and benefits to consider, such as layout, design, and bottles or can storage capacity. You'll need to choose between under-counter, freestanding, and outdoor units amidst numerous brands and models. Prices range from a couple hundred to a couple $1,000s, which will likely factor into your purchase decision. We've researched and narrowed down the options to the top 8 top-rated beverage centers, as well as a couple you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 8 best beverage center plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Danby 120 can beverage center stainless steel DBC120BLS review. While all Danby products are sturdy, high-tech, and practical, the DBC120BLS is definitely the best freestanding beverage center of average capacity and one of the best-selling appliances of its kind. It's perfect for large families, friend gatherings, weekend barbecues, dinners with guests, and anyone who wants to avoid running out of their favorite beverage or having to drink it at room temperature. Offering 3.3 cubic feet of storage space, this Danby cooler can accommodate up to 120 cans. Organizing drinks is easy with the stylish and practical interior shelves made of 3.5 black wire. The tempered glass door blocks out ultraviolet rays, which keeps the drinks cool and enhances the appliance's aesthetic with its stainless steel trim. A mechanical thermostat incorporates the latest technology, letting you program cooling temperatures from 43 degrees Fahrenheit to 57 degrees Fahrenheit. The embedded lock and key are the perfect solution for preventing the access of children and teenagers to alcohol and for ensuring your peace of mind if you decide to leave the beverage center in a high-traffic area. The interior light, activated by the opening of the door, lets you use the beverage center at night without worrying that you may have grabbed soda instead of beer. No matter where you place the cooler or what hand you open the door with, you can adjust it to your convenience due to the reversible door hinge. Coming in at number 2, Newair AB 1200 126 can beverage cooler. If you don't like buying beer and soda all the time or having to refill the fridge every day, perhaps it's time to consider investing in a Newair AB 1200. It may not be the best freestanding beverage center for small apartments and condos, but it will surely add style and convenience to a corner in your house, office, garage, B&B, game room, man cave, or vacation home with its black and stainless steel design. It can accommodate up to 126 cans, but storing oversized bottles and cartons won't be an issue either due to its large bin accompanying the 5 removable racks. Compared to its predecessor, it offers lower cooling temperatures starting from 34 degrees Fahrenheit, adjustable by choosing the 7 temperature settings available. The LED lighting ensures easy access to your drink of choice in the dark. The compressor cooling technology ensures silent operation. Add to that the low energy consumption, and you have several reasons to trust Newair AB 1200 with chilling your favorite drinks. Coming in at number 3, Phiestina PH CBR 100 106 can beverage cooler stainless steel door with handle. When you're the host, no matter the occasion, cold beverages are a must. You can't expect your fridge to accommodate both the food and the drinks, so the best solution is to invest in a cooler like Phiestina PH CBR 100. Some claim it's the best freestanding beverage center available. However, it should be worth a closer look. Its compact stainless steel design and its lower dimensions compared to the above models make it easy to find a place for it. The compressor cooling technology makes it quiet and energy efficient. The blue LED lights add to its style and comes in handy when you're reaching out for a cold drink in the middle of the night. It's up to you to decide how cold the drinks should be. You can easily adjust the temperature between 38 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 degrees Fahrenheit with the digital controls and monitor it with the help of the LCD screen. PH CBR 100 has black wire shelves that let you fill it with ease and allow you to store anything you wish from beer and soda cans to wine bottles. Looking to learn more about the best beverage centers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Kalamera 15 Beverage Cooler 96 can built-in single zone touch control. If you want a beverage center spacious enough to handle your needs on game nights and during the weekend get-togethers, but compact and discreet enough to fit your kitchen furniture, this is probably the best built-in cooler you can get. It is suitable for freestanding installation as well, so you won't regret your acquisition if you change your mind about incorporating it in your kitchen furniture. With the footprint of just 22.4 inches by 14.9 inches, it will fit anywhere from mansions to small condos. Its stainless steel design and transparent glass door give it a stylish look that will be complemented by any environment. It's so quiet that you can place it in the bedroom and sleep peacefully throughout the night. You won't have to turn on the light if you get thirsty, as it has its own blue LED light to help you find and grab your favorite drink. Filling it will be just as easy due to the 6 removable metal racks. The door is reversible and comes with a security lock to keep your beverages safe, yet easily accessible to you. You can adjust the cooling temperature from 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit and check in on it on the incorporated digital LED display. The interior fan will make sure all the stored beverages reached the desired temperatures. The embedded carbon filter will protect your wine bottles against odors and other outdoor impurities. It is true that these impressive features come at a price, but it's a long-term investment endorsed by numerous buyers. Coming in at number 5, Edgestar BWC 70SS 62 can beverage cooler stainless steel. It's one of the best built-in refrigerators for small families, convinced bachelors, and hotel rooms. It's a simple, compact, budget-friendly solution to a common need. You can place it anywhere without worrying about noise, aspect, or accessibility. The BCW70SS allows both built-in and freestanding installation, and it's one of the smallest devices of its kind with a reversible door. It comes with a simple yet stylish compact design, highlighted by a glass door with attractive stainless steel trim. It can store up to 62 12-ounce cans, 32 20-ounce bottles, 40 16-ounce beers, or 20-ounce energy drinks, and various combinations of those due to its smartly designed removable racks. It relies on an energy-efficient compressor to cool beverages at temperatures between a high of 30s and mid-50s Fahrenheit. It lets you adjust the temperature from a thermostat control knob placed on the back wall. It is not only convenient and energy efficient, but also affordable. If you want cold drinks on a budget, this cooler should be the answer to your needs. Coming in at number 6, Danby DWC172BL 18 cubic foot 17 bottle countertop wine cooler. Compact, affordable, and reliable, Danby's DWC172BL is one of the best wine refrigerators you could place on your kitchen countertop. The all-black cabinets let it match any furniture and interior design. The tempered glass door adds style and functionality, letting you see when it needs refilling. Its hinges are reversible, ensuring easy access to it no matter where you place it or what hand you use. You can't help but fall in love with the scratch-resistant worktop and the chance to use it as additional storage space. The interior is conveniently organized with the help of 3 removable wire shelves coated in vinyl. 2 are full width and 1 is staggered. You can control the storage of large bottles and beer and soda cans as well. DWC172BL comes with 3 cooling levels: minimum, medium, and maximum. Temperatures vary between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The lowest temperatures are reached on the bottom and mid shelves, so place your beer at the bottom shelf. When cooling wine, use the middle shelf for white wine and the top one for red wine. Coming in at number 7, Kalamera 24 Beverage Refrigerator 175 can built-in. Many label this Kalamera refrigerator as the best under-counter beverage center for those who are not on a tight budget, its 24-inch measurement being impressively small for its considerable capacity. It fits in almost any kitchen, entertainment area, hallway, or dorm room, and it can store cans on various sizes in beer and wine bottles as well. This stainless steel design with triple layered glass door is highlighted by blue LED lights that come in handy when you're reaching for a beer in the dark. The security lock helps you protect your reserve against children, teenagers, and unwanted drinking friends. The Kalamera 24-inch beverage refrigerator comes with 6 sliding and removable metal shelves that let you organize its content as you see fit. For even easier access to your favorite drinks, the door is reversible. The built-in carbon filter ensures optimum air quality. You won't need to worry about noise or high energy bills due to the compressor cooling technology it incorporates. As for cooling performance, you can adjust the temperature from 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit with the digital controls and monitor it on the incorporated LED design and display. The temperature memory function ensures that in case of power failure, the unit will memorize and bring your favorite drinks to the last setting of temperature. This may not be the most affordable unit in its capacity range, but its features and outstanding design make it worth it, and hundreds of buyers confirm this. Coming in at number 8, Edgestar CBR 1501 SLD 5.9 cubic feet Edgestar 142 can built-in stainless steel beverage cooler. If you prefer to store your favorite drinks outdoors near the pool, on a covered patio, in the garage, or next to the barbecue, you need an appliance that will handle extreme temperatures and weather caprice. The Edgestar CBR 1501 SS0D is the one. What makes it the best outdoor beverage center? Its sturdy stainless steel design underlines its ability to withstand harsh weather and protect your beverages against temperatures differences and UV rays. Its capacity makes it suitable for pool parties and weekend barbecues. Its sleek door, made of stainless steel with a towel bar handle and factory-installed lock. At the interior, you'll find removable glass shelves, LED lights, and digital temperature controls and displays. The cooling temperature can be adjusted from 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit runs on a powerful but quiet and energy-efficient compressor. A fan circulates the air and evens the temperature so you won't have to worry about rotating drinks or looking for cold spots. This is the most affordable and most efficient outdoor beverage center in its capacity range, so the investment should be well worth it. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite beverage center. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com beverage centers to avoid. Magic Chef 44 bottle stainless dual zone wine beverage cooler. We've seen some pretty good Magic Chef products, especially wine coolers, but this one seems to disappoint. From a $700 or more cooler, you expect both quality and functionality. When you see features like dual temperature zones, you expect to be able to enjoy your favorite drinks as cold as you like them. Add to that a compact design with transparent glass door, stainless steel handle and frame, removable clickbait grill, digital temperature display, and user controls that are friendly for you, you have the image of a great product. Unfortunately, high expectations bring about huge disappointments, and this seems to be the case with Magic Chef MCWB C77DZC. According to the available feedback, it breaks down very fast and doesn't cool beverages as it should. It is also very noisy. Even if you can live with these faults, you are still better off buying a lesser expensive model at the same capacity. And the next to avoid, Uline U1024BEV S00A built-in beverage center 24 stainless. At first sight, this beverage center looks quite attractive. Its high storage capacity, its sleek black interior, and its impressive features help it appeal to anyone. Who wouldn't want LED lighting, wine racks coated in black vinyl, tempered glass shelves, digital passive cooling technology and controls, temperatures ranging from 34 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and the freedom to choose between built-in and freestanding installation? Unfortunately, all of these come with a high price, too high in our opinion. If you check the recommendations above, you'll see there are similar appliances at half the price. As if that were not enough, Those who had the courage and money to invest in Uline U102 4BEV S00A now regret that decision. It appears the unit is very loud and breaks down with ease. It doesn't live up to the promise to cooling drinks up to 34 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, as it does not have an interior fan. The door's gasket seems to leave room for improvement as well, and we find this unacceptable in a beverage center that costs quite as much as this one does. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best beverage center. Finding the best beverage center may seem difficult due to huge numbers of appliances available in all size types and capacities. However, it all comes down to assessing your needs and finding the unit that meets them. You know better than anyone what your needs are, and the above lines provide all the information you need to identify the device that meets them. You can free up space on the refrigerator, save energy if you're only using the main refrigerator to cool beverages. You can save kitchen space and have your favorite drinks within reach by installing the appliance where you need it most. You can enjoy your wine, beer, or soda at your favorite temperature around the clock without worrying about replacing bottles or finding room for them. Whether you need a cheap or compact cooler, it can fit under the kitchen countertop, or a spacious, imposing cooler to impress your guests. We suggest sticking to popular and reliable brands and models like the ones reviewed in this review. Why? They have been tested and deemed worthwhile by hundreds, if not thousands of buyers worldwide. Spare parts are cheaper and easier to come by. Authorized repair centers are everywhere and provide prompt and affordable service. Of course, the final decision is yours. We hope you find the above advice and information useful, and your new acquisition will help you enjoy your favorite drinks at your preferred temperatures for years to come. It's difficult to name one product as the best. Some buyers care more about the price and others focus on capacity, performance, and aesthetics. The perfect beverage center will combine the best of everything, but it remains only a concept. After thorough research and extensive comparisons, we've managed to put together a list of products that should answer the most common needs and expectations. They have affordable prices, reasonable capacity, and predominantly positive feedback. Looking to learn more about the best beverage centers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite beverage center. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.